It's our full automatic chain link fence machine. Mesh width maximum 4 meters. Mesh width and length can be set from PLC. Both galvanized wire and PVC-coated wire can be used. Steel wire tensile strength of 300 to 450. Both sides can be twisted and knuckled. The rolling machine is controlled by limit switch. Mesh opening size range from 25 to 100 mm. Mesh hole size can be changed by replacing the mold. Wire diameter range from 1.8 to 4 mm. There will be a missing locking wire when it reaches the setting length.
这方面呢，这两样时间。拿手，去报名拿手。太长了。这是几辆线？
It's exactly the mesh width we set in PLC. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more machines.